Hey guys, my name is Zach. Today I'm going to show you how to charge a gas golf cart. Now a lot of people think you don't have to charge the gas golf carts. However, you do, especially these EFI ones. Their battery in here is actually what sends the signal to pull the fuel in through the fuel pump. Okay, so right here I have a battery tender. You can get this at Walmart for like 20 to 50 bucks. And I'm going to show you how to use this. So you got this part here that goes into the wall, just a normal outlet prong here. Just going to go in just like that. And then you got your positive and negative clamps here. We're gonna open this seat up. And here's your battery right here. Okay, so right on top of this battery, you see the plus and the minus sign. So the red is gonna go to the plus sign. That's your positive. So you're gonna go positive, and then black is your negative. So you're gonna go to the negative. So negative, negative, positive, positive. And then over here on this, you see this start button. It already tells you what kind of battery it is. You just hit start. And now it's charging. And that's all you got to do to charge your gas golf cart.